Hi guys, dito na pala ako mag-intro kasi hindi ko naka-intro sa bahay kanina. Mag-meet kami ni Sri ngayon, dyan sa Impress Market. So, anong oras na ngayon is 10:21. Kalalabas ko lang. So, ayun guys, see you mamaya doon. Buti na lang walang sasakyan ngayon. Stop ko muna dito kasi slope na. Guys, dumaan pala ako dito sa Victoria Park kung saan ako nakatira before. Andito na ako sa harap ng dito na ako sa harap ng bahay na tinirhan namin nun. Ayan siya, nagpintor na sila kasi siguro may magre-rent na. Siguro may magre-rent na kaya yan. Pinapaganda. Tingnan nyo yung malunggay. Gusto ko mang kumuha pero hindi na pwede eh. Ayun. Yung orchids ko doon, may ano na, may flower na. Ayun. Hindi ko masyadong maisum. Hindi na kaya. Tapos sino kayang nagpapakain na ng fish? Yung maintenance. Inansiran din ang question. So ayan guys, kita ko si Sri sa market. Punta ako ng NTUC mamaya. See you mamaya guys. Medyo mataas dito kaya ano na lang. Ganyan lang. I-push ko na lang tong bike. Hindi ko kasi mai-adjust yung adjustment nitong bicycle kasi nalustred ata. Nasira. Ayan, walang masyadong sasakyan. Dito na ako sa Impress Market. So, ayan. Titingin ako dito ng ano, guys. Yung pangtanggal ng crack sa paa. Hindi cream, yung pangkiskis ba? Wala ata. Ito siya, guys, oh. So, ito na lang. Grabe kasi yung crack ng ano, paa ko. Kita ko na si Sri dyan sa ano, market. Market. I saw her back. Andito na siya, oh. Diba? Hindi pa sila pumunta ng Hong Kong.
I'm going back next month.
Where?
Home because I need to fix my visa to Hong Kong.
Next month, we go home. So, they go first?
No, next month I go home for a few days to fix my visa.
But come back here? How many days?
Like 4 days. But I'm not going to my place. I go Jakarta. Because if I go to my place, I need to transit, right? From Jakarta to Lampung. But this time, she said don't need to transit. You can do it in Jakarta. So I just,
You ask your mother to meet you there.
no, my mother's sick.
Hello.
I just, you know, I just buy a wheelchair for her because
Why?
she come back from the rice field. You know, she has a cold like that. Then after that, she cannot walk.
Irayuma arthritis like that na.
Yeah, something like.
Ano then? So then how?
Yeah, I fix in Jakarta. She said,
Wait ah. Guys, bibili muna kami ng pagkain namin. Tapos, ayan, magkwento kami. Pakinggan nyo. Oh, ang dami oh. Abundance. Ang dami-dami. Kain. Free.
the second time you fix.
You know me, right? You go there, everywhere have hulugan already.
Correct.
Somewhere no need to, you only can pay next month.
May hulugan in there.
Like, phone, necklace,
Why? I mean, like,
oh, why? I have project ma. I cannot.
you can just go around with your friend.
I'd rather to be alone.
Yeah.
You know?
So go home.
I don't know. We do. We go Holland. Holland? We going to eat and then Holland and TUC then. Then after that we eat Old Chunky. I need to go to NTUC because I want to buy flour. You know the coconut cream. Cream. How to say?
It's hard to wash.
Last time we also review, but we okay. After that, okay. Then how is the kids?
Oh, yesterday, last Sunday, Isabel want to come, want to see you. Then I say it's not your off day. Just then I want to ask her, then she's still sleeping. Anyway.
Oh, she missed me also.
Because last week, Wednesday, I think, Thursday when I packed her to school, because on Sunday I was meeting Julia. Then come? Yes. Then, last Sunday,
She wake up.
she asked me, because we wake up early. You said, you're going to meet Angelia. Oh, today is not her off day, I think. Maybe
Saturday. So next Sunday and next weekend, my off Saturday.
So Saturday, where did you go? Then after I go home. But you can rest at home, right? So you're not going to transfer. Tahan di mana?
Eh, tahan na. Because my employer is very nice, very good.
Yeah,
She's only my problem.
I mean like, just tahan. So long the employer is not judging each other, between you and her.
Anyway, I explain. Guys, papunta kami sa Holland. Naglakad kami ni Sri. Pero hindi ko sinakyan yung bike ko kasi naglakad kaming dalawa. Naglalakad siya, alangan naman na sakyan ko to. Nandun siya nauna na, saglit na. So guys, papunta na kami sa Holland. Kasama ko si Sri. So hanggang dito na lang muna guys ang video ko kasi masyado na siyang mahaba. So ayan guys, maraming salamat and see you on my next one. Sana all nakapayong.